Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. In today's video you will find out how the price of IOTA has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, RSI and MACD are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. By looking at the hourly time frame for IOTA, we can see that the price moved up quickly with around 7.0% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 29.4 cents. The volume was also high, showing that this move was strong and the buyers are taking over. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is above all of the simple moving averages, which looks bullish, and you should watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, could remain stable or the price will dip below it, with the current price of around 29.3 cents. Important to note is that the price is currently above the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong support. However, breaking it decisively to the downside will signal a potential big move down. Looking at the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 58, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Jumping to the hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. However, the MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently shifting to the upside, and it could be expected that the price will consolidate for some time, and you should wait to see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 28.0 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 29.5 cents could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Moving to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 61, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Looking at the 3-hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. However, the MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently shifting to the downside, and it could be expected that the price will consolidate, and it is better to wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bearish. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, the current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, could hold support or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around 25.9 cents. Looking at the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 63, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Moving to the daily MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. The momentum is currently indecisive, according to the MACD histogram. This means you should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish, due to the expected shifting momentum. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and the pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.